Splat monster. Materials: liquid paint, water, plastic container, straw, construction paper, copy paper, scissors to use with grown-ups' help, glue stick, pencil. Optional materials: newspaper, tray, crayons, markers, glitter. To make a splat monster, mix paint with water in a small container. The water will make the paint flow when blown on. Repeat the process for other colors. Place your paper under a tray or newspaper, or do this next step outside because it can get messy. Drop a quarter-sized amount of paint on the copy paper. Focusing on the paint spot, blow short, strong bursts of air through a straw. This will move the paint and create a splatter pattern on the paper. Once you are happy with the splatter design, add another or put it aside to let it dry. Make more splat monsters by adding a drop of paint to the paper and blow with a straw to make a splatter on the paper. Once you are done, put your paper aside and let it fully dry before moving on to the next step. Cut out shapes from construction paper to make eyes and mouths for the splat monsters. Glue the shapes down and draw in details. You can also use crayons, markers, and glitter to add details. Now you have a splat monster. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media. #AppletonMuseum@Home.